When I couldn't get any flight flying on standby from all the other places that I wanted to go, Bahamas, Cabo, even Phoenix, I was gonna stay home. I was like defeated. 2 o'clock in the morning, I was like, I'm just gonna stay home. But I said no. Whatever flight that I find that's green, I'm just gonna go because I really want to start 2024 off doing the things that I say I'm gonna do. And if I say I'm not gonna spend New Year's Eve home, I'm not gonna do it. And I've only been in Dallas for the day and I leave in the morning, but I've had a good time. The girls I met at the wine bar, gorgeous, so sweet. I really had a nice time. I got to go back to the farmer's market. I've been here in my hotel room, just chilling, drinking champagne, reflecting.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on...
Hey Tipsies, every year I want to spend New Year's Eve out of Baltimore, and this year we're doing it in Dallas, Texas. So I checked into the Virgin Hotel. I used points to book this last minute because it was expensive, but so worth it. The hotel was gorgeous. So I'm going to give you a room tour if you're thinking about coming to Dallas and staying at this hotel during the holiday. It's going to be decked out. They also have a party on their rooftop where you can see the fireworks, but that's going to be additional if you decide that you want to do that. I opt out and just ordered room service and stayed in my room, but I still had a good time. So I'm going to be giving you a room tour of room 1010.
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, if you loving every night, you make you mad, now only you give me love and make me nice, 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 I feel make you mine, Lord, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Thinking I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I gon' pay. For your love, I gon' pay. It ain't making money, Jason. I feel this for you every day. When you call, money back on replay. For your love, I gon' pay. For your love, I gon' pay. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Millis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch, they all the colors. I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans. I told her stop right here. I told her stop telling that crazy scene and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to get it. I told her she got a rest of the team before she can talk to the lit. I just pulled up in some food. I told her mama all my shoes. Told her 2 million cash she would. Plenty ratchets and I'm 6 shoes. I had came home out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Brucey. She said you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to say to the spins like Lil Goosey. Bitch got a bedwood on her nightstand. She must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat racing. I came with the fucking piranha.
11:23 in Dallas. And this is the highway. It is backed up. Where's everybody going? Are they trying to catch the fireworks or something? Is there something going on that I don't know? Well, it won't matter because I'm in my robe and I'm not leaving this hotel. So, it won't even matter. My room! Look! Yay!